Good evening, class. Okay, today we shall look at crop ecology. We shall look at crop ecology today, and we should be able to know the objectives, specific objectives, what we should know by the end of the lesson. One, we should be able to define what is crop ecology. We should be able to state the biotic and abiotic factors that affect the crop production. We should also be able to list various agroecological zones in Kenya. And finally, we should be able to list crops grown in each of the agroecological zones in our country, Kenya. By the end of this lesson, you as a learner, you should be able to understand those objectives. Also, we should be able or define the terms used in crop ecology, and we shall give the definitions. If asked in an exam to define what is crop ecology, you as a learner, you should be able to define. Crop ecology is a branch of biology dealing with the relationship of organisms with their environment and with each other. Or you should be able to explain that is the study of various phenomena within the crop field, e.g. predator, prey, relationship, or crop weeds competition. Those are the definitions of crop ecology you should understand at any given point asked to define what is crop ecology. We shall also look for the factors, abiotic factors that affect agricultural production. One, we should look at the crop pests. You class, you know the crop pests that affect or crop pests that attack the agriculture products. You also know the decomposers. Decomposers, those are the microorganisms that are found in the soils. They also have the effects on agriculture production. There are also nitrogen fixing bacteria. These are the bacteria that are found mostly in leguminous plants. They are used to convert the nitrogen to the soil. There are also livestock parasites. You know them, those parasites, e.g. ticks, fleas. Those are the parasites that also affect agriculture production. We have also pollinators, those that are transports pollen grains from one plant, which is a female to which is a male to another one to a female plant. Mostly they are used in production. They also have an effect on agriculture. We have also predators. You know, predators, those are the animals that depends on another for food, and they also have an effect to agriculture. Finally, we have pathogens. These are also microorganisms that are found within an environment. They also have an effect to agriculture production. We'll also look at the biotic factor on agriculture production. We have the effects of the biotic factor on agricultural production. They feed on the crop, thereby lowering the quality of agricultural produce. See, that point is self-explanatory. They feed on grains, thereby affecting viability of the seeds. You see, the viability of the seeds will be lowered when the pest feeds on the grains. They also transmit diseases. They act as disinfectants. They cause disease in production of agriculture. The lower palatability of produce, they also increase the cost of production when control methods are applied. You will need to use a lot of money when you want to control those pests in the. We have to look also the parasites and their effects on agriculture. One, they causes anemia in livestock, whereby they suck blood of the animals so that they cause anemia, which they may cause death at long last. Some block the alimentary canal, which makes the animal uncomfortable. They also lower rates of production in livestock. They increase cost of production when controlled. Some lower quality of hide and skins, hence lowering the market expectations. Some absorb food made for the livestock, thereby lowering the level of production, milk. Some, for example, ticks transmit diseases causing organisms